Hello students, this is Ravi Singh, your computer science teacher, and today we are going to discuss some Python codes and we will also predict the output of the following codes. The first code is I is equal to 5, then I plus is equal to I minus I, and next print I. It means in this code three lines of codes are given. In first line of code we are storing 5, means we are assigning the value 5 in a variable which is I. In next second line of code, increment operator plus is equal to is assigning, and the value of I is equal to I minus I, means I is equal to I plus I minus I. Then in third line of code, output function print I is given. It means initially we are storing the value 5 in a variable I, means according to second line of code the value of I is initially 5, again 5 and again 5, means 5 minus 5 becomes 0, and now the new value of I also becomes 5. It means I will be passes to the print function and you will get I is equal to 5. So the output of this code will be I is equal to 5, means the output is 5. Clear? Next line of next code is I is equal to 0 while I is less than 0 and I is greater than 2. Then colon print I, and now I is equal to I plus 1. In first line of code initially the value of I is stored as a 0. 0 is assigned to I while a conditional statement is given while. In conditional statement two values are given, two conditions are there. I is less than 0 and I is greater than 2. Students, what is the initial value of I? Initially the value of I is equal to 0 and the condition is while I is less than 0 and I is greater than 2. The value of I is equal to 0, I is less than 0, no, I is exactly equal to 0, means I is less than 0, this condition is actually wrong, and I is greater than 2. Whether the value of I is greater than 2? No, the value of I is equal to 0. It means this value is also not satisfied. Then print I. In fourth line of code the value of I becomes I plus 1. Actually in this piece of code print I and I is equal to I plus 1, this is the part of while loop. If the condition satisfied in this portion, then third line of code and fourth line of code will be executed. It means you will get output as a no output. No output will be produced in this code. The next code is I is equal to 16. While I is greater than 8, column print I minus A is equal to 8, means decrement operator is applied in line number 4. Initially a variable I is declared in which 16 is assigned. While I is greater than 8, initially the value of I is equal to 16. What is the value? What is the condition? Condition is I is greater than 8. 16 is greater than 8. Yes, the value is true. It means I will is equal to 16 will be passes to the print I. Now it will generate an output on the screen which is equal to 16. Again decrement operator is applied. It means I is equal to I minus 8, means initially the value of I is 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Again it will check the loop. Now the value of I becomes 8. I is greater than 8 while I is exactly equal to 8. This condition becomes false, means this conditional statement will be directly terminated and you will get output only 8. What will be the output? You will get the output exactly equal to 16. This is the answer of this piece of code. Now the fourth question is, we are assigning multiple variables, the values to multiple variables. A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 4. A is plus is equal to 4. Increment operator is given, means A is equal to A plus 4. Now the value of A becomes, initially what is the value of A? That is 1. A is equal to 1 plus 4. And now finally the value of A becomes 5. Now come to the third line of code. Here A becomes exactly equal to 5. Clear? Due to assignment operator. Now print int A upon 4. A upon 4. Now the value of A is 5 upon 4. It means this value becomes 1.20. A upon B. It will generate a floating point numbers. Means the output will be integer also containing the fraction part. But what is given in print function? Int. It means it will produce only the integer part. Only the integer part, means the output will be exactly equal to 1. Clear? Okay students, that's all for the today. Thanks and regards, Ravi Singh.